Want to turn on live location in Snapchat? Here's how to share your real-time location with friends or family. First, make sure location access is enabled. Open Snapchat. Tap your Bitmoji profile icon in the top left corner. Now tap the settings gear in the top right. Scroll down to Privacy Controls and tap See My Location. If location is disabled, tap Enable and allow location access on your device. For best results, choose Allow Always in your phone's location settings. Now you'll see sharing options. You can choose My Friends, Share with All Friends. Only these friends, select Specific People, or enable Ghost Mode if you don't want to share. To share with specific friends, tap Only. These friends, select the people, then tap Save. Second method, open a chat conversation with the person you want to share with. Tap the plus icon in the chat, select Share Live Location, then tap Share. Your live location will now be visible to that person in real time. And that's it. That's how you turn on live location in Snapchat. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Snapchat tips.